Welcome to UVic Libraries. Our two libraries, the Mearns Centre for Learning-McPherson Library and the Diana M. Priestley Library, are among the top ranked in Canada for research and sustainability. The McPherson Library is our largest library, nestled right in the heart of campus, just off the quad. It's more than just a building full of books. It's a hub for learning, creativity, and community. As you walk up, take a look at the Indigenous decals displayed on the exterior and throughout the main floor. A visual reminder of the library's commitment to decolonization and reconciliation. Above, you'll see the iconic panels designed by the artist George Norris, a striking symbol of the library. When you walk in, you will be greeted by the Bibliocafe to your left, and the main foyer straight ahead. The Bibliocafe is one of the best places on campus to recharge. Grab a bite to eat, study, and catch up with friends. Straight through the main foyer, you can find the Ask Us desk, your go-to resource for navigating the library. You can borrow books, media, and AV equipment as a UVic student. All you need is your one card. We have noise-canceling headphones and bike locks, and you can even borrow a laptop. The Ask Us staff are there to answer any questions or doubts you may have, no matter how small. All you have to do is ask. Throughout the first floor, there are plenty of open study spaces, group study rooms, classrooms, and computer labs. In fact, the McPherson Library has hundreds of open study spaces, and more than a dozen study rooms spread out between its 4 floors. The main and second floor are available for group study and collaboration, while the basement, third floor, and mezzanine are dedicated specifically to quiet study. We also have sleek tech booths, soundproof booths for individuals or groups, complete with charging stations and varied lighting settings. Study rooms and tech booths are reserved online through the UVic Libraries website, on a first-come, first-served basis. Looking for academic support? You're covered. The Learning Commons is just down the hall and offers help with writing, math, physics, and even career advising, with virtual options available for some services. It's a great place to get personalized support when you need it. On the second and third floors, you can also find the offices of our many subject librarians. The librarians are here to help you work through your research papers, assignments, give citation help, and provide subject-specific research support. You can book an appointment with a librarian through the UVic Libraries website. Under Visit and Contact, find a librarian. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Heading up the stairs to the third floor, you will find the Digital Scholarship Commons, also known as the DSC. The Digital Scholarship Commons help students, faculty, staff, and the wider Victoria community to learn digital tools, broaden their research knowledge, and increase their skill set for professional development and beyond. From 3D printing to laser cutting and even data visualization and analysis, there are dozens of skills you can learn at the DSC. All of our workshops are available online and asynchronously, so if you can't join a live workshop, our materials are available for you to work through at your own pace. On the lower level of the library, you'll find the library's very own special collections and university archives. Here you can plan a visit to browse archives on topics such as transgender studies, anarchist studies, medieval history, BC history, and Johnny Cash. Talk about range. Art lovers, don't miss the Legacy Maltwood Gallery in the basement. Exhibits are displayed on a rotating basis, free for all visitors to the library to explore. Past exhibitions have showcased powerful work on Indigenous history, Black history, queer and trans art, and Victoria's Expressionism movement. Interested in book arts? The Farallon Book Arts Lab offers free workshops on creating posters, zines, and other print objects. There are also a few lesser-known spots in the library. You can reserve the Respite Room, room 132, on the main floor, through the Ask Us desk. It's a calm and private space, perfect for a quick nap or moment of rest. Did you know there's even a fully equipped podcasting room? You can book the room online, pick up a key at the Ask Us desk, make your way to room 051 on the lower level, and bring your creative ideas to life. Don't forget to check out our podcasting workshop. To learn more about UVic Libraries, visit uvic.ca/library. Whether you are looking to access our spaces, services, collections, or connect with the academic community, there's a place for you here.